That one. Well, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy. We are officially live here. We're gonna try making some money today. Market did a big old dip pre-market here, so we're gonna wait. Do have some announcements today that Tradeify came out with as well. So exciting times, exciting times. I'm actually purchasing a couple of the new accounts right now. Because they rolled out daily payouts on these new accounts. So might as well, right? Might as well. They got me at the daily this morning, gentlemen. So bear with me while I'm doing this. We got 8 minutes before market opens. G's already up for the day. Crushing it.
Third.
Alright, got those two in play.
You see that bear candle, right?
Yep, that's a big old bear flag right there.
Big. Man, listen.
Good morning, good morning. I gotta run downstairs real quick. Hopefully I don't miss this move.
Listen,
Before market.
I'm not calling G anymore. I'm calling the sun because the sun is always up.
Let me finish setting this up before I run downstairs real quick.
I call you son because
Morning, fellas.
you
Morning.
sound like one. Hey Steve, where's that from? I call you son because you shine like one.
Hey.
You know that?
Oh, he left.
What's up?
He went downstairs right quick.
No, I'm right here. I'm still here. But I gotta run downstairs real quick.
Well, here
We got a big old bear flag printing, gentlemen. Big old bear flag printing.
Gosh.
It looks like it's a textbook setup, but I'll be right back. Be right back.
Hey, Steve.
Yo,
Yeah, I ended up getting another funded account this morning.
all right, rock and roll, man. I'm so happy for you.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Because you've been kicking ass.
This week, for sure. I'm already at 1100 for the day.
Damn, 1100 is your number, man. You need to like drop an album and call it that.
Oh. Yo, that bear. You guys see that 2 minute?
Yo, I'm over here yelling at everybody. I'm on mute. Yo, G,
What's up?
what time do you start trading?
Nah, this was pre-market. Like, I wasn't gonna trade it, but I saw that set. I saw the momentum. I just jumped in off of one contract. I made 1100 off that one contract.
Nice.
Imagine if it was two.
No, yeah, I mean, yeah, the 1100 every trade is a good place to start.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, so
Yeah,
you caught the drop at 9 o'clock then?
Yeah, yes I did.
Nice.
Yep. So now I got two. I got two funded. I got a funded account now. With that 1100 just funded my growth account now.
Nice.
And you have a funded account you're starting today as well, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Damn,
Nice.
that's sweet. I say that with every sincere thing. I tell you, it makes me so happy when there's people in this community kick ass, man. Like the founders. Yo, G,
Sir.
the big G, or like I'm gonna say the sun. You're like up. The shit's up right now.
Right? Or don't diddle in the middle. I'm looking at my chart. You ever heard of this? The box theory.
I haven't done that one. I haven't read that.
What about you, Moose?
No.
Yeah, I think y'all should check it out.
Oh, is that what you've been kind of like
That's
what
why
you've been
I'm
working?
killing. Yeah, that's why I'm killing it with that.
I'm gonna write that down. Box
What do you
theory.
call it? The Fox theory?
Box theory. Yeah, I'll send it to y'all on the what you call it, on the legacy thing. I'll put stuff.
All right, cool, yeah.
I'm back.
Way back.
I'm back, gentlemen. I'm back. All right, we got 4 minutes before market open here.
Bro, did you yawn?
That was not me.
My legs hurt.
On that, that's the manipulation.
Stop doing jumping jacks, Moose.
Yeah, right? I did legs yesterday. My legs are a little sore.
Are you gonna go back? In the middle.
Why is that screen not showing? Uh-oh. Uh-ohs. Oh. There we go. I was like, hold up. Something's off. Well, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Who's ready to make some money there? I know I am.
I am.
More money.
Hey, we trying.
1100.
Got that.
Hey, did you send that, G?
Sending it right now. In 1 second.
Right now looking like a textbook bear flag. So, we may be taking it if it happens after market open here. We do have news today at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Let me go make sure our live stream is good.
Dave, I'll send it to you on the thing. Just click that link and then it'll show you.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much.
Moose. Where's Moose at?
Yo,
Carlos,
what's up?
you were saying where's Moose?
Oh, I was on a phone call.
Oh, yeah.
He was on a phone call, people. He was on a phone call.
What G, you sent it on the thing?
Which one? Your last name is Solo?
Solorzano, yeah.
Got you. All right, I'm sending it to you right now.
Cool.
Yeah, just look at it. So as soon as I saw it, I'm like, what?
No, I'll check that out. Thank you very
How do I
much.
check this, yo?
It's kind of it's like social media, mother.
Yeah, but
Hey, Mr. Moose, man, you gotta just like just
I
vibe.
go to members.
Go to your messages, like on your
I don't
thing.
do that. Where is it?
We're getting ready for market open here, people. Moose is having difficulties this morning.
He's having fun.
How do you
3,
read your messages?
2, 1.
Gotta love it.
Social media.
I don't know how to do this.
Market is open.
Order filled.
Order field.
Almost.
That's hilarious.
Just got some new evals from Tradeify on their new accounts that they have.
Which one? Is it there yet? I didn't see it this morning.
Yeah, it's officially there. They now have they have the 50K. Well, they have the standard. It's pretty much the start's pretty standard, but once you pass it, you have to take 3 days to pass it or more, but minimum's 3 days. But once you pass it, you get to select if you want daily or the regular payout for the 5 days. So I think that's pretty cool. that you get that option.
Catch 22 on the daily.
I'll pull everything up here in a second.
Moose was reading my mind.
They don't give it to you for free.
No, you're still paying for it. You're still paying for it.
I know, but like, yeah, it's like, do you want to have the red Ferrari or the red Yugo?
Yeah.
So let's see here. So on the daily, this is for the 50K account. Once you pass the eval, right? Profit target $2,500 for the eval. Trailing drawdown 200. With a 40% consistency. When you're in the actual funded account, there is no consistency anymore. If you choose the daily, that's the red pill. Max payout will be $1,000 on the 50K account. Daily loss limit, 1,000 for the day. Max drawdown is $2,000. So just like the growth, it's a little bit less. Like they'll pull you out at $1,000 loss until you get above that buffer. And then on the flex for that same account, because there's two options, daily and flex, it's the 5 days like usual, and then $3,000 max payout, no consistency, no daily loss, and the end of day drawdown is $2,000. So what's cool is it's end of day now. So remember how it's intraday when you would be trading, you'll be in trade, you don't close out, and then it pulls back on you, and then you blow up an account thinking you have more wiggle room. Like with this one, they put it at end of day now, so it's no longer following you for your drawdown.
Yeah, that's what growth are. End of the day. Those are good.
They still have the growth accounts as well with the 1 day funding. And it's only, the growth account is only $2 more right now than the new accounts that they just pushed out. But I do like the fact that they have the daily option now for payout.
How much are the new accounts now, as opposed to like 45 or whatever?
Yeah, so right now, let me go back over to it. For the 50K currently, it's $95.
Oh shit! So they're basically pricing it out for a lot of people. But interesting.
But because I've been waiting for this to play out to see what they were going to be doing, because there is another prop from that I've been looking at as well, called Lucid Trading, that I may start getting some accounts with to see how they function, because it's not as priced out like the 95.
Well, I mean, they're basically doubling their price, so it's kind of like that's substantial. So
yeah.
Those other prop firm things I sent you here and there that popped up on my feed, like Blue Chip or something. Do you ever look at that?
I did not look at those. The Blue Chip one.
You jive turkey.
I
took my time to send you that because you're the guru and you just throw it in the trash.
I did not throw it in the trash. First off,
no,
I've never heard of that one. To be real with you,
care, but not enough. I'm just kidding.
Let's see.
But if you blow your account, you're screwed, man. Because now it's like double. It's just like buying a new car now.
But with Lucid, it's cheaper, and their average payout time is 15 minutes.
I need something that's 30 seconds or less.
Well, I'll see if there's a 30-second one out there. I don't know if I'll be able to find that one.
I want a guy knocking at my door within 30 seconds with a briefcase full of money.
Yeah, I think we all want that. What's the market going to do here? I did put a yellow line on my trading view, and as soon as I put it, the market started like trying to push up slightly. So I may need to move it. All right, mouse is working now. but I'm currently looking for some more cost-effective evals that we could potentially be getting, because I've honestly been waiting to see what price they were going to be putting the new accounts at before I started trying to figure out another option for all of us.
Yeah,
Because
like,
I get that 95, that's
like
double the money.
Yeah, I mean, if your food budget is like $100 and then all of a sudden the stuff is $200, it's like you blow an account.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, it's just like that's like more reason to self-fund if I'm going to trade at all, because it's like, you know, the odds are roughly the same, but it's double the money. So it's
Yeah.
like,
No, you ain't lying. You are not lying, sir.
I don't see. I mean, yeah, you know, they throw some carrots at the end, but it's like, you know, it's like a drug dealer still cutting the dope.
Yeah. Still waiting to see if we're going to get this big bear flag to play. We got news at 9:45, which is creeping up on us here.
Oh yeah, thank you for calling that out, because it's kind of like the early news.
Yeah, I'm sure. I missed the waterfall this morning. I was listening to the Tradeify news coming out, so I missed the waterfall down, and then I saw it happening while I was trying to handle everything else. So I was getting ready to chase it, and then I did chase it, and I took an L on one of my accounts this morning. And I'm like, why did I even try catching it? I wasn't even focused. I just saw it like out the corner of my eye because I was watching the Zoom with the CEO of Tradeify. It was so stupid. So now I'm legit waiting until 9:45. I don't care what this thing does. Unless this bear flag just starts to waterfall, order filled. Anyways. And now, since we're just talking, I'm trying to do everything possible not to trade right now, gentlemen. So now I'm also having to find probably a new gym. I have not been happy with my current gym. It's just been way too crazy busy for my liking. And then, what was that?
Is it too packed?
Way too packed, dude. It's like everybody and their baby mamas, like all at once. Like, and it, unless I go early in the morning, which I'm not a big fan of going first thing in the morning, then you're sitting around for equipment.
Dude,
And that's the worst.
I can do that. Like I like trading training at home, or like if I'm, you know, in a situation where I'm like a trainer there, and then I can just jump the equipment when I know nobody's there. But I can't walk into a room and just, because then you got somebody who's taking a selfie, and you know, it's like, or like blogging or something. Hashtag sweat, you know, whatever.
Hashtag sweat.
You got Moose over there, like moving all the weights and plates, and then like taking them all for his legs.
That's the worst.
We got a lot of selling pressure right now. Tap my yellow line.
Is this gonna play? Come on, Duane. D-Rock. He's holding his breath.
I'm holding my breath and holding the trigger. I'm holding my breath and the trigger right now. Like, I want to jump it, but we gotta see that momentum.
Yeah, he's got the same breathing pattern as like a Marine Corps sniper right now. Waiting, because it's like,
Let me breathe.
You gotta hit the trigger in between the breaths so it doesn't jump.
All right, glad I held my breath for that moment because we didn't get the follow through yet.
Yeah, there's that buoyancy.
But yesterday was hilarious, right? I pay for my gym memberships annually because I know I'm going to use it. So anything that can save money by paying annual, I do it.
Yeah.
So I walk in, I always have my headphones on, blasting, scan, and I just keep it moving. I'm not looking to talk to nobody. So I start walking to the machine. The front desk guy like chases me down like I just robbed the place. He's like, he leans in, Duane? And I'm like, huh? He's like, Duane, can you come back to the front desk? I'm like, come back to the front desk? Yeah, okay. Go to the front desk. He's like, yeah, on your, it said, wanted me to stop you and talk to you about your billing. Well, okay, what's wrong with my billing? He's like, we need a card on file. I'm like, I pay annually, so I know it doesn't renew for me until like next year, like early next year. He's like, yeah, but we still need a card on file. I'm like, well, if it's paid for, why do you need a card?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He's like, well, it just wanted me to stop. Okay, cool. He's like, your renewal's end of January. And I'm like, okay, cool. How much is that going to be? He's like, well, we don't do the annual. That was only with 24. Like, it switched over to Crunch. We don't do that anymore. I'm like, okay. So how much is the membership that I have since you guys don't do it annually? He's like, $33 a month. I'm like, okay. Could I pay for it all at once? He's like, I'm not sure. I'm like, dude, I'm already, listen, if you don't got to talk to me until next month about me paying again, don't stop me.
You're like in there to work out. You don't need to be sitting there like,
I literally wasted like 6 minutes at the front desk because like the manager comes over trying to help the dude. I'm like, am I renewing now or is it next year? Next year? Okay, I'll see you guys next year. Like,
well, it was horrible. Like my wife took my son because he wanted to join the gym. And then they were like surrounding him, trying to do all this stuff. Like we need to get with a trainer. The trainer was over there, and I'm like, I'm speaking through the phone, and then finally, they heard me, and I'm like, I'm a licensed personal trainer. It's like I'm not gonna pay somebody to train my son. You know what I mean? And then he just disappeared. But it was just like, come on.
Yeah, I just didn't like I wasted 6 minutes of my time to talk about something that's already paid for.
It was like the people at a car dealership, like, let me get my manager, and then somebody else comes by, and it's like, what? The kid just wants to work out, or, you know what I mean? It's like...
Hey, gotta love it. We gotta love it.
He doesn't want to work out with me. He doesn't want to work out with me because I pull out the weights, and it's at the house, and, because everybody's trying to be macho and see, this is how much I can move, 3 reps.
Yeah.
I'll put him into like something, and I'll get his swarm, and he'll be destroyed in 15 minutes, and he'll be like done.
Hey.
Like I'm changing it up, and we're doing this. You're like, wait, what?
This bear flag still hasn't broken yet. Like, I want to see some strong momentum.
Well, we have 45 seconds until
good call, sir. Good call. Thank you. Because I've been trying to probably go short right there, possibly, and then the news goes right back up. So.
And then we got to keep in mind, obviously, we've got news after, like at 10. Which
is 10.
A hop, skip, and a jump. Depending on this thing plays. So.
All right. So news in less than 30 seconds here. Less than 30 seconds for news. We got this beautiful textbook bear flag on the chart right now. But I'm hoping that when the news comes out, it doesn't push it too quick. Because I don't like jumping on news handles.
Yeah, or there's that volatility where it's like all of a sudden, boom.
Alrighty, so news just came out, but it was very uneventful, I would say. Like, we're literally right on top of the yellow line on that 5-minute chart.
I have the same line on mine, and it's just funny because it's like
it's like right there. It's like
Duane. It's like that one movie where the baseball players walk out of the cornfield. He draws the line, and it will come. And as soon as you see a break and you're not trading or looking at the news, if you'll let me know where the top and the bottom is of
Yeah.
the 15.
It's a super tight range today. I mean, super tight. High for this range currently, 537.75. Low for this range, 453.25. So we have a tight little range right now. I just want to see this bear flag pay us. Because I'm trying not to FOMO into it here. Because I see the move, right? But I don't want to jump in too early and then get stopped out.
Yeah, well, there's no point in jumping in too early.
You're right.
And I'm gonna, like, I know that I reached out to you last night, but I'm gonna kind of try to explain a little more on a message, just kind of where I'm at, because I just need to, I need to get there.
I got you. One of the things, right, with the Renko bars, because I know a lot of us are using the Renkos to see the momentum. When we see the flag, like right now, we see this big old bear flag.
Yeah.
For me personally, I want to see where the momentum crossed through on the Renkos, the yellow line. But it'd be like completely solid going that one direction.
Yeah, none of these little jig-jags.
Yeah. And that's how I try getting my entries, being real, is I'm trying to time it up with the Renko bars where I see just one solid color. So it's not...
Yeah, it's like heavy, as you call it, where it's just like one stripe.
Exactly.
Okay, that's cool.
And that's for going up or going down.
Yeah, no, I you know, any lesson that you give, I always kind of overlay that, you know, that we're not just directional at all, which is a definite plus.
We are literally sitting right at the middle of this 15-minute range.
Wait, there's something I'm trying to remember.
Yeah, we do not diddle in the middle, people. Don't diddle in the middle.
No diddling in the middle.
I'm just waiting for this bad boy to break. We got this beautiful bear flag. Dre, good morning, sir. We got Dre Dollar in the chat. Welcome, sir. Are we going to break through here? We're chopping right on the line up to the middle of the 15-minute range. So,
yeah, like it's like hit the line on my 1 and the 2 and the 5, kind of broke through, but immediately rebounded.
Ooh, about to do it.
come on, Betsy. You can do it, girl.
Go on,
The FOMO's real right now. All right, tapping that line. It's still playing. It's still playing. It's not trying to push through yet.
Nope. If you look at the 2-minute, it's like right in the middle of the candle too. It's like equal. Okay, now I speak, and here it goes.
It's not, the momentum's not clean right now. That's why I haven't jumped in yet.
Well, look at your 5-minute. Look at where those candles are all pretty rough, like ending at the same spot.
Yeah, that's like I call that the power towers.
Okay, I like that. We got to put that in our vernacular.
Hey,
the power towers.
a big move is gonna happen.
Oh, trust me, we know. We here waiting for you, sir. We waiting.
Hey, let's just. I think it'll probably happen like around 5-10 minutes.
Well,
10 minutes. We have the other news.
yeah, we got news at 10 o'clock.
That sounds really iconic when you say that. News at 10.
News is just freaking everywhere today.
I'm just waiting for this bad boy to break.
The real news is how quiet Moose is being
Because I want to be able to take a trade on this account and then rotate to.
No, I'm on the phone. That's why. Sorry.
Oh, okay, I'm forgetting.
Thanks. Appreciate that.
We're gonna try to hit 2,000 likes today, Jack. That's the goal. Let's go. Do us a favor, guys. Hit the like button if you're not subscribed to the channel. All right, I'm gonna add right there. YouTube.
Not trying to listen to PW, so I just had put G on mute there.
G's got 2 ears. He can listen to 2 things. The guy.
Oh, 100%. 100%. Just waiting here.
Look at on the 1 minute, man. That candle pushed so far up. Like it's.
Look at all that structure on the one.
It touched that yellow line and it went back up again.
We didn't have the follow through. That's why we couldn't take it yet.
Yeah, the momentum is not there. So now look, it look like it wants to shoot up now a little bit.
No, we just had a small bear flag print. It's trying to push a small bear flag inside this larger bear flag. Bull's trying to step in though, so really, we're just waiting for this to break. Hopefully it breaks before 10 o'clock. Because it's playing right now, it's playing. But I feel like this may be it right here. I feel like it's heavy. Want the follow through though.
I went to the 1 minute. The 1 minute candle is definitely bearish.
Oh my God. Sorry. My bad.
He comes in with a yawn.
It's moving. Duane is in a trade. He's quiet.
Yeah, I just jumped in. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Let's clean it up. New 1 minute candle printing. Ooh.
Just got stopped out there. Mad Aggie. We didn't get the fault. It's going to. It wasn't. I should have closed. I could have closed that with a 200 profit. I didn't close, so that's on me for wanting more. Let me rotate.
Well, my 5 minute candle, it's right back at that yellow line. I mean, literally, yellow line.
The yellow line.
And it went out of the 15-minute range and is immediately up to the middle almost of the 15-minute range, which is insane. That is so tight, that range.
Andre, I just put one and got stopped out there, so I rotate to a different account now. This is one of the new Tradeify accounts. This is the eval. Gotta get this passed so I can get to the daily payouts. It's so great. I should have just closed down that last one. Because it was.
In trading, you can't say I shoulda, woulda, coulda. You just gotta go with it and execute the next time. Sucker.
You're right. You're right. But right above, we're just sitting up here.
Because if there was an undo button in trading, then everybody'd be rich.
Facts. Facts. If there was an undo button for trading, I think everybody would trade.
Yeah, nobody would go to work. Be like, man, you jive turkey, I ain't stocking them shelves. All right.
just watching this market right now, like, we got that big old wick on that previous candle. So I'm not a big fan of that one.
But it's practically a doji on the previous 1 minute candle. And then
We're consolidating right here.
in 3.5 minutes, we got more news, so keep that in mind. Just watch the time on your 5-minute candle for the countdown.
Thank you, Steve. Good morning, Woe Day. Hopefully you guys are doing good over there on the chats. We're patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting. We got a big old bear flag here. We're just waiting to see if it's going to pay us or not.
It's 4 hours about to close in 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
We're close to the middle of this 15-minute range as well, so we already know we don't diddle in the middle. So if we push up any more, it'll be a extra hands-off moment. Not trying to trade that middle of the range. We have less than 3 minutes for the 10 o'clock news as well.
The 1 minute is just like crazy. It's kind of like a mosaic.
I'm looking at it now. Lots of structure there. Lots of structure on that 1 minute. I just want to do something for us. Just something. Nothing too crazy. Because we're literally just sitting down here. Even if it wants to push up, like, give us some type of move with momentum. We have that pivot point right above us. We got the pivot up at
32.83.
I have mine at 533 even for the one above us.
Look in your chart, Turkey.
Then the one below is 395.75.
Okay.
I gotta get off at 10:15. I gotta go to work. I gotta see client.
All right, sir.
That Moose is a crime fighter. He's fighting crime. I just feel it.
He's always fighting crime.
No way. I just want to go home and take a nap.
I like the lady that was like talking to you yesterday. Like, you're like, I cut hair. Are you any good?
Yeah.
No, I suck, man. But that's my fucking claim to fame. You'll be pissed off and they'll like it.
That's similar to like when someone's like, "Oh, are you good at trading?" Like someone will ask me, like if I'm talking, "Are you good?" I'm like, I'm okay. Like nothing special. Like there's smarter people out there than me. All right, there's the news. There's the news. And look at that, we went nowhere.
A lot of volume though. Like if you look at the.
All right, push up to that VWAP pivot point. All right, so news just settled. Nice. Still practically close to the same area we've been in. So crazy. We didn't touch that pivot point. We're literally just sitting here.
But like last time, yesterday, it touched. Like I could see it. But you're right. This time it did not be touched.
I gotta do some Christmas shopping this week. Start that whole process. So excited. So excited.
Well, like with my trading record, like people are just getting, kids are gonna get pennies. Hey man, because these are going out of the mint, so just keep them for 50 years.
Hey, give them a little investment. You know what I'm saying? All right, so it looks like we're going to creep up to touch this pivot point here.
Listen, you creep.
All right, there's the pivot point touch. We got the high of this opening range as well, right above us. And we got the VWAP up there as well. High for the range is coming up, 537.75. There we go. VWAP is the next tab, 547 area, 547 for the VWAP. So we are waiting for a bear flag. It's pushing up here. Gotta love it. But we didn't have the momentum for the short, so it's okay. All right, so we broke out. We're out of that 15-minute range. We did not retrace, as Moose likes to say, back down to that 15 yet. And we're pushing towards that first target, 580.25. 580.25. Well, 580.50 is the first target on my chart here.
I'd like to see a flag. I'm quoting Duane here.
A flag would be nice. We got the close from
You're
yesterday.
changing up your script, so it's not funny. You said I'd like to see a flag.
Yeah, the flag, not the flag. The close from yesterday, 603.50. Well, 603.75 actually. 603.75. Close from yesterday. Let's see if we build a bull flag up here. The only thing I don't like, right? So we spent all that time building out a bear flag, and the bear flag didn't pay.
Maybe we hit the bottom, so we're starting to head up.
Honestly, I just don't like it. I don't trust it. When it does something like that, it's one of those things where it was extremely heavy in that area. You know what I'm saying? Because we were chopping the same area for quite a while there.
But what is your assessment? Because there's the two news events as well, so that could be part of it. I know it didn't move a lot, but maybe it just kind of shifted the focus.
Possibly, because we could potentially, because we dropped right at like 9 o'clock today to come all the way down here, so we may try pushing up now. Because the overnight high is up there at the 678.25. Let's see if we build out a bull flag up here above the VWAP.
I'm trying to wait for that 2 minute to close.
Yep. There we go. New candles there. We're back below the VWAP for the second. All right, right above it now.
See how this 15-minute closes though. Maybe it closes above or below. Oh, I think it's gonna reject. Oh, man. Look at the 30. Retracement at its best.
Look at on the that previous 30 is like a doji on the 30. That's
Yeah, it's a
insane.
doji.
On a 30.
Yup.
That is some tight. That's some tight work right there.
It came up to my 9 EMA, my 9 EMA, and retraced down to current 30. So if it doesn't close above the VWAP and above the EMA, I think we're just gonna come back down. And
When
then
is that?
look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour closed below the EMA as well and below the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Went back up to touch the EMA on the 4 hour and touch the VWAP, and right now it's below the VWAP and EMA as well. It's retracing back down.
A massive retracement.
Yeah. Those are the best retracements. You catch those and woo!
Woo!
There's Little Richard in the chat.
Yeah, that's funny. That's exactly what I thought of. That's funny. Hey, you know a lot about music, huh?
Yes, I do.
That's awesome.
I'm very fortunate in the fact that, you know, like I love like a lot of different music, so like people can't peg me at all. And and then, you know, it's like I played in a band, so like I appreciate, like I love blues, rock, and like, you know, origin stuff.
Nice.
And then, you know, and then like I like the old hip hop because I saw like the brilliance in that, like when they were actually like creating those songs, and it wasn't just like keyboard beats, it was just like samples and stuff.
I used to play the trumpet and the trombone.
Yeah, my son, one of my sons plays the trombone, and then one of my sons plays the trumpet. So
Nice.
Just watching paint dry over here, gentlemen.
oh, stop complaining and let's find the next move.
Well, right now we need momentum. So without the momentum, there is no move.
Where's the 15 at? Oh, listen, 5 more minutes and you can take this down.
For everyone on the streams, how are you guys feeling? I want to get away from this pivot point in either direction. I do not care. I just want to get away from it.
Well, the pivot point and then lose at the top of the 15 as well. You know, kind of figure out what's what.
Just want to get away from all stuff because we got the VWAP above us, the pivot point, and the high of the 15 as well. Like, let's just get either push through all those or take it lower. But below us, we do have that 21 EMA sitting down there. So, and just as I said it, we just tapped it. So.
Well, on the 1 minute, if you go back and you look at that, there was a bear flag, and then there's a possible second one forming.
Yeah, I'm looking at that small bear flag. Those candles barely had bodies on though. That's the only I'll be like, slightly hesitant.
I'm calling it out, and the move's going that way.
Say it
The
again.
people at
Sorry.
home, the people at home are like, you can feel me. The Legacy family knows what's what.
5'11".
I gotta get some shirts made for us all.
No, 5'11".
Get some legacy shirts made.
Hey, Duane,
Yes, sir.
with the new things they have on Tradeify.
Yeah.
They pick funding in 1 day or in 3 days.
Say that again.
Did you, for the account type, did you pick the growth or lightning?
Neither. I did the select.
Select, right?
Yep.
You can pay out daily, because I'm looking at it right now. You can pay out daily or 5 days in total.
So you get a pick. So once you pass the eval, you get a pick if you want the daily or the 5 day. The 5 day is pretty much the standard funded account that they had previously, just without the consistency rule. And now it's end of day drawdown as well.
But you're paying double for that.
They did the daily to compete with Take Profit Trader.
I just think it's kind of like Biden era egg prices to like go up like that. Oh, here we go.
What I tell you.
A whole number, everybody. Watch that.
No, 2 more minutes and it's low and it's close.
Dwayne saw that whole number. He's like, I'm in.
I jumped in and pulled right back on me.
Yeah, because it's a whole number.
Yeah, honestly, I didn't even see the whole number. Not even on front. I got so fixated.
I called out. He's like, order filled.
Pretty close to that. Pretty close. Let's see if we push through it.
Well, we gonna push.
Come on, Bessie, drop it for me.
Let's see what happens at the close of this candle.
I just want to see a little green, and I'm going to close this one. Just so that way I can protect it. And as soon as I'm talking, it went green for a second, didn't have enough time to click.
He got like 8 contracts at like still 50 cents. Come on, Bessie.
Dwayne, that's some bullshit, boy.
What happened?
It was green, and I'm pretty sure he trying to click, and that shit shot right. I'm like, man.
I thought he was gonna call it a bull flag, but he called out bullshit. So.
That was funny.
So I guess when you pick different ones like instant funding, it's more.
Yeah, don't do instant funding. Never do instant. Because your consistency has to be 20%.
So I'll do the 3 days.
For instant funding, it's 20%. Like, I never recommend doing that one.
Like lightning?
Yeah.
Well, 20%. What do they mean when they say 20%?
Your consistency has to be 20%.
Yeah, but out of 100, that's not that bad. So you got to trade let's say you get 10 trades, you got to do 2 of them got to be good. That's 20%, right?
No, so I'm still in this trade, gentlemen. That's why I'm not as talkative. Trying to see if I could.
Dwayne, what is the atomic weight of?
Because I know as soon as I close this, it's going to like probably push right through.
I'll wait because it's thinking about it. It's just it wanted Duane to grab his wall at least 3 times.
I may have to grab the wall. I'm grabbing the wall now, gentlemen. I did the wall touch. I did do the wall touch here.
The wall touch, that's like the secret weapon. Come on. Come on. They're going to go up and touch that pivot point.
Just got stopped out. Zader? Zader's in the chat. What's up, Zader? Bro, how much money did you make in your career? Honestly, I had to add it up. This year, since I'd probably say August till now, we've done over, not crazy numbers, just under 20K from trading.
Consistency is key, though. You know, people are just like, there are people out there that's like when the mega ball comes out, like the big lottery, it's like, I'm only gonna get a ticket if it's $1 billion. Like, you know, like if you only won 50 million, it would be shit.
and that's in payouts as well. So that's not how much I made, more than 20K, but in payouts from prop firms, I've done about 20K since August.
People will be lining up around the block at the liquor store trying to get that mega million ticket, and it just, oh, now that it's 560 million, it's worth my time.
So, and what's crazy is I started getting consistent payouts when we started streaming and I started doing the Legacy Wealth Society. Just saying. Because before Legacy, I had gotten like just a couple payouts, but they were like spread out.
Hey guys, I gotta go.
All right, Moose.
Good evening, Moose.
See you tomorrow, sir.
All right.
Good to see you. Good hearing from you, brother.
Likewise.
Where are we going now? Oh, great one.
Well, I say since we're above the 15, we're going to go possibly to that first target, 580.60. Not liking the movement.
So Duane, what's the difference? What's the difference between it says the growth? It says funding in 1 day than 3.
Yeah. So with the growth.
Oh, we got a downtrend, gentlemen.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You're good, G. With the growth,
The market, brother.
the biggest difference is on the growth you can pass in 1 day. That's literally the only difference. For the most part, you can pass the growth in 1 day. Get a pick if you want daily or like the standard payout.
Duane, are you a robot? Because you just froze for like 10 seconds.
I got this plug over here and I kicked it. So that's on me.
You froze. We didn't hear you for like 10 seconds.
Duane is a robot because he stood dead still. He's like, and all of a sudden he picked up his thigh.
I kicked something. I apologize, people. I apologize.
He played it off like it was, is your internet on? It's like me and G and I are sitting here still talking to each other.
So we're hanging out on this pivot point. But, so I'm assuming you didn't hear what I was talking about the new account compared to the growth in that 10 seconds?
But it was a nice looking picture of you on the thumbnail. That's all I know.
Oh, that works. Well, I was saying with the new account, that Tradeify just came out with compared to the growth account, since the growth is the one I trade, and I know G trades the growth account as well. The biggest difference is it's not going to stop you out automatically at the 1200 on the new account, and you have more flexibility of choosing what path you want to go for payouts. Where you get picked, do you want daily payouts or do you want the standard payout cycle? You know what I'm saying? So I do see the benefits of having the daily. I do see the benefits of that because you can put more money in your pocket faster. Because just like take profit trader, and here we're starting to come back down here. Had that bear flag on the 5 minute there.
It's in that middle.
Heading towards the middle, and it's heading towards that whole number, Duane. He's in it.
Duane is it?
I love it. I love it. And Dwayne's in.
Whole number. Order filled. It's in that same area that you were in last time. Duane likes that neighborhood.
I did it twice today where I should close. And
it's like an early video game. He's like, let me drive up the mountain.
Straight crazy. Straight crazy this.
The 1 minute candle is just like a shooting star. It's like almost turning into a hammer. Go right up that pivot point again.
Unacceptable. Those were that was an eval, but still freaking annoying.
You and your whole numbers.
But no, it's not even that.
Oh, listen.
Not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, right?
NGO.
Let me rotate to this one account real quick. Ever since I had one of my things, not denied, but I had it traded longer for the micro scalping with Tradeify. That's why lately I have not been closing my trades right away.
I don't know. I mean, honestly, I don't feel like I'm at a phase where like I'm gonna be spending $90 on an eval.
Yeah, no.
So I mean, I have to like figure out on a practical level like what's what, and that's I mean right now I know they're keeping other ones kind of grandfathered in, but
whoa, there.
Because I mean that's also how you get the live feed, so they're gonna be nailing you anyway. It's kind of like it's like Spectrum raising your cable rates. So I gotta like today I've got to do some thinking, but I'm gonna write you out. I'll write you offline.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there are the other options. Like there's like funding ticks. That's like the $50 or whatever, pretty close to what the other one was. I just didn't like them because you have to put a trade in every 7 days. And that was my biggest thing with them was that one.
No, I understand. They chopped you on that, but it just like I don't know. Like I said, it's just kind of like the universe is kind of kicking me in the teeth right now, and this is like confirmation of it. So I got to figure it out.
Well, it's not the universe kicking you in the teeth.
Well, it's the markets if you really want to know, but I just got to figure it out.
Copy. This price action today is not it for me. Not gonna lie to you guys. Ain't getting the warm and fuzzies with this price action.
Well, where do you see it? I mean, I'm looking at the different things, like on the 5 minute.
We're currently sitting right here, right above the VWAP currently.
Yeah, I see that.
Looking on this 2 minute. we could try saying this is like one big bull flag, but we had one big bear flag trying to go earlier that didn't break. So I'm not bullish or bearish. I just, there's not enough momentum for me. And for me personally, I think that's where I gotta realize when there is not enough momentum that I like seeing, not to actually trade. Because I force trades try and make $1, and then I end up losing $1,000. Bear flag on silver, okay. Woody's calling out a bear flag on silver if you're trading silver, people.
Hey, so on Ninja, where is the gold and the silver? Have you ever looked at it on here, just out of curiosity?
I have not, but let's see, features. It should be the GC for gold.
GC is gold.
Yes, sir. I believe so. I'll double check that. I'll fact check that one. Yeah, just like yesterday, not a lot of movement. Even with the news coming out, it didn't like push us strong in one direction today. And that was through like 2 news cycles for today. Let's see what news we got tomorrow. We have 8:30 news tomorrow. And then that's it for the news this week.
I just want to see some movement.
Yep. We're all waiting for some movement at this point. But we're playing like right now with this VWAP and pivot again.
Yeah,
Dre.
They need to lose this zone.
I completely agree with that one. Right now, there are no trades to be had.
I know I mentioned that one video that you were showing, but it was hilarious when your kids were in the in that one mirrored room thing. You know,
Oh.
you went. Like, don't walk into the wall. Boom.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Dre, my day's going okay. Today, I got stopped out on multiple trades a day. And this is the life of trading. Not a lot of movement today. There's not a lot of volatility. It's more chop than volatility today.
Well, if you look at GC on your Renko bars, my God, it's just like this is like a tornado compared to what's going on over there.
Yeah. Wants to lose his 21 EMA to take his lower.
But every time it's tried to go lower, it said nope.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
I mean, I'm just looking at the 1 minute because it's got more noise and it's just like right in this zone, like at 21. There's no candle to the close lower than that. It's like 10, 15.
Tapping the yellow line on the 5-minute chart. Are we going to have enough to finally start going down? Yeah, let me not even trade because I want to take a trade, but I'm like, why am I taking a trade when it's not moving? Okay. Actually, thank you, Dre. I'm actually going to see how my other holds that I have going on currently are doing. Up $13 for the day. I'm going to Chipotle. I'm getting me a bowl with that 13 bucks. What type of laptop are you getting, Dre? All right, we're starting to come down here. I'm not really excited about it, to be honest with you guys, because we got the middle of the 15-minute range right below us.
That's where you got chastened. That's the word of the day. You got chastened when you took a trade right in this neighborhood.
Yeah, I got chastened per Steve in here by the markets today.
Well, it was just both in this zone. Like, as soon as it started getting to the whole number, and then just like, you know, it started going, and you jump in, and it's like, pull out the dive. Head to that.
But what's crazy is, right, technically today I could have been up. I could have been up today, but I was not closing my trades. Because there was...
Look at that.
Jesus. You see, this is why... What in the world?
Are you in a trade? Because it seems like it.
I am not in a trade.
I'm just teasing. Boy, how many people got stopped out by that masterpiece?
I did on my top step. Yeah.
Boy, that was just like...
Yo, it just shot up.
The market open, man. Just like, what happened?
Yeah, there goes the buyers. I put this yellow line on the chart because I was like, this could be a big old bull flag. And all of a sudden it wants to pop. But I'm still not trusting it. Because what just made the market pop like that?
That's spooky, that volatility.
You know, like, that's what I don't like. It's like, I don't like random. I do not like random.
That's why you mute my comments half the time.
I do not mute your comments, sir.
I was out doing something across, you know, in the neighborhood, and there was somebody that called me sir, and I was like, I don't know if I should thank them, or they see me as like their father. You know, it's like,
well, he's just paying respect to someone older than him. Doesn't mean you're old. You're just older than him.
It was respectful, but it was just kind of like, I'm out there in the yard, like doing yard work, wearing like a 30-year-old Metallica shirt. You know, it's kind of like, it doesn't seem like I'd be called sir, but
yeah.
But I was appreciative. I call everybody sir myself, you know, like if I'm in a service situation, so.
Alrighty, looks like we're running up to the close from yesterday here. That literally made no sense right there. Literally, we pretty much we're pushing up almost 100 points.
We're retracing that 9 o'clock drop all of a sudden.
But we're literally almost 100 points in less than 4 minutes. Because if we get to that 600, that's 100 points in 4 minutes. Off of no real volatility. Yeah. It's a no-go for me, gentlemen.
I'm quoting Duane, I'd like to see a flag.
Oh, I'm past wanting to see a flag. It's a no-go for me. Like, that's spooky. But just in case we do get a flag, I'll put this line up here.
There it goes. That's the Duane I follow.
Yeah, Woody, no real volume. Like the market's moving, it's just not consistent.
That big push was.
We got the close from yesterday coming up here. 603.75 close from yesterday.
So the whole number's starting to rock.
Tonight, 9:30,
No flag.
Traders Hangout, poolside once again. You guys have been loving the vibe out by the pool, so we're gonna keep it going. We'll be out there tonight once again.
Okay, there's a flag coming on, possibly.
Let's see what we got in like the 1 minute.
That's what I'm looking at.
That's 600 level.
Yeah, we're right there. All right, this is 600.
Went back down.
Let's see it. We know how these whole numbers act, so we gotta just wait for it. So stalled out right there at that 600 level.
No, great one. What are you seeing?
Honestly, right now, nothing much. I'm not seeing anything right now that's like, yes, let's take a trade. Maybe this is going to build out some structure for a bull flag here, but the way we just reject off that 600 level, like, I don't like it. I don't like it, gentlemen, because we did not hit the close from yesterday, the 603.75. We came close, but we didn't touch it. So possibly building out a bull flag up here. But for me personally, you would need a target and just try jumping in for a long up until 600 because you don't want to get rejected again.
Up your contracts. You only live once.
I probably shouldn't up my contracts at this point because I've been striking out all day today. So
I'm having fun. It's like as one of your dearest, oldest friends. You can say that online. It's all right.
oh, 100%.
I feel really bad when I write you after like DM you on that stuff, and you're just like, LOL emoji, yawn.
No yawn emoji. Maybe the LOL, but no yawn emoji. Literally just doing nothing right now. Gotta love it. Gotta love this market today. We got two big wicks on top of these candles on the 5-minute. So that's when you know selling pressure is there.
We're selling.
We're below that first target as well. Sorry, we got that wick on the bottom of that candle right there on the 2-minute. But not a fan. Today, gentlemen, honestly, I'm not a fan of this market. Yesterday, it was moving weird until after 11. Same with today. I need Trump to come out and say something about tariffs. All right, that's when we get the volatility. All right, get ready to tap that line I put on the 2-minute chart right there. We're above the line on the 5-minute. Targeting the 600 right now.
If it's aiming for 600, it's not doing a very good job, Captain.
That would be just my luck right there. I closed out at 110, got $30. So that's literally showing you my day today.
Well, you're going to get more at Chipotle.
I'm getting 2 bowls now from Chipotle today.
You're gonna get more at Chipotle.
We're above the line. At this point, I'm waiting till we get. Honestly, I'm done trading. I'm not going to take any more trades.
How about if we break out above the 600, get above that 611?
If we get above the 611, then I would try getting 10 points up to the 620, 623. That's where my second target is, 623.
623.
So if we get above 610, I'll try taking it along to the 623. Nothing like it.
I'm looking away for a second. Maybe I'll have fresh eyes.
All right, so we just tapped the close from yesterday. The 603.75, we tapped it. Yeah, for me, I can't trade this. It's not enough movement. I thrive, like, the way I trade, I thrive when there's a lot of volatility.
See, it's like, and that's the same way he is on a dance floor. Like, if it's a slow song,
Yep.
it just there's not enough volatility. It needs to look like a freaking seizure for him to be out there, and that's when he shines.
Yeah, that's when I look normal. You know what I'm saying? Like, if there's not enough where I can't look like I'm having a seizure on the dance floor, I can't be out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna be like, man, that guy's stepping on everyone's feet. You know what I'm saying?
But then you just play it off like it's like a new thing. Man, that guy's a fire, man. Watch him work.
Yeah, this is. I'm staying till 11, but I'm not trading anymore. This movement doesn't get me excited here to want to trade. Hey, who wants to become a trader? We literally sit there and watch the market do nothing. It's so much fun.
No, I mean, I was gone for about 5 minutes in the middle because I walked out. There's an empty house in the neighborhood, and I posed in it and said that I got it from 5 minutes of trading. I'll post it tomorrow.
Awesome. Excited to see that. Look at the wrinkle bars. Like, they're just like sitting.
They're sitting, quitting.
When the wrinkle bars are literally like in the middle of the chart like this, that's like, you know, there's not enough volatility. Steve, with your personal funded accounts, how have you been doing on those?
I'm good. I'm up with them. I just, I'm just trading the micros, so it's like I got to figure out, that's part of my thing is, being green is great, but translating it into like, with the price of living these days.
Yeah.
So,
well,
I got, like I said, there's some things that are like going on in my life that I'll explain to you because I kind of give you tidbits, but it just kind of put up time, you know what I mean? So I feel like I either need to shift gears or I need to like hang up the saddle.
Gotcha. Well, I would say if you could stay consistent trading the micros for a little bit, just up how many contracts you're doing on the micros, so you can start getting a little bit more off what you're actually earning.
Like, I thought that was great, but then you look at the cost per contract, and you're like, if you're trading like 5 micros, it's like you're paying like income tax on every, you know what I mean? It's like with their cut, it's like not worth it.
Gotcha.
Like, oh, look, I made $120, but then the fees are like, so it's, at that point, I don't know. Like I say, it's consistent, but I need to hit it on the next level. So
we're all out here trying to hit it on the next level. That's for
I
sure.
know. I just need to have like some tangible, like a tangible movement, if you will.
Yeah. This price is crazy today. I need Trump to come out and start speaking.
Does he speak today?
No, I'm just like, the market likes to move when Trump's out there talking his smack. You know, when he's out there like, yeah, we're thinking about bombing somebody. Market gets real good on those press conferences.
I did see something that they're going to be replacing Powell, but I'm not sure when that happens. So that should be interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, because he's got his, he can nominate somebody, and I don't know when Powell's term ends, but that should move the needle one way or another. You know what I mean?
Oh, 100%. Because he's been there for a while.
Yeah, and I hate to say it, but I'm kind of ignorant about where their terms are, but I think he's like a major roadblock to the economy totally ticking. So it's just like they need to get him out before midterms, and they just need to like run with a ball like never before.
Yeah.
About the economy.
All right, we're starting to pull back here.
I did see that your elbow moved toward the mouse.
My hand's on the actual mouse because we had super small. You can barely even see it on Ninja. Got it pulled up on my trading view bigger, but we had a small little bear flag right there. But it was so small I wasn't trying to take it because there wasn't a big enough hole for me to be like, oh yeah, that's a nice looking bear flag.
Yeah.
Coming down here, we got the 21 EMA like 2 points below us here.
Yeah, mine's at 62.57 right now. I'm sure yours is not.
Mine's at 63.
Of course.
63.25 actually.
Okay, that's even better. Thank you for that correction. Thank you for that beautiful chart work.
I got you. Woody, yeah. He's talking about wanting to take a break from possibly trading. That's what hang the saddle means. Cowboy style. Okay? Cowboy style. All right, so we pushed to that 21, but we're right above it again.
I'm still in the markets doing other stuff, so it's like, that's kind of what I got to gauge. You know what I mean? So.
No, I definitely get it.
And as you know me more than anybody else as like an entrepreneur, so it's just like, I don't want to be just like, I have to balance everything, so I got to figure it out.
Woody says bad idea to hang the saddle.
Thank you, Woody. Point taken.
Yeah, 4 more minutes and I'm getting off here because
there's a bull flag that's gonna pay like you've never seen.
I'm torn because looking at the 2 minute, it's looking like a bear flag. Looking at the 5 minute, it looked like it was trying to print maybe, but here we go. We're starting to fall to the VWAP.
It's gonna follow the VWAP. It's gonna test it, and then it's going to push further down.
Mentally, I'm just slightly jaded from my losses today, so that's why I'm like not even interested in taking another trade. Live to fight another day. Yeah, today's a red day for me. You know, I gotta take the photo of this.
Nah, yeah, you have green, and you're gonna have a good scene. Come on.
You know, I post the wins. I gotta post the losses too. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I know you're trying to be like real, but we all know you're a robot. Even the 5-minute is queuing in on this bear flag. Does it get your attention yet?
No. Looking at the 5-minute, there's not enough momentum for me. To be real, like we're momentum traders, and with that momentum, we're pissing in the wind.
That's a good analogy.
It's crazy too. I'm gonna post a losing day on social media, and I'm gonna have more people reach out to me because I posted the losing than the winning. It's so weird. It's so weird.
Well, what gets me, and I was brilliantly speaking about it in comedic terms, but it's like somebody will be like, well, if you haven't made $700,000, you're not. You know what I mean? It's just like, but you know, we're about consistency here, so. Rock and roll.
Consistency and transparency. We're about all of that.
All the steeds.
Like I had a guy that's funny. See, you have been laughing. In the traders hangout on Monday night, this dude comes in, chit chatting. You know what I'm saying? He's like, and asks about the strategy. He's like, "Oh, why are you lying to the people?"
Oh, I know you did say something about that. He's like, he's totally a liar or whatever.
He was like, "Oh, why are you lying to all the people?" I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? He's like, "I've been trading for 14 years. Well, okay, cool. Are you making money each day? Are you consistent? If you're trading for 14 years, you should be a pretty good trader at this point. If you're day trading." He was swinging options, right? So completely different than what we're doing. First off,
Oh yeah.
completely different.
Well, I used to get that. I'll piggyback on what you're saying because, you know, even my workout rate, I would at the time,
Weaver?
I would my 403b. I was investing in a certain way, and these people are like, "You don't know what you're doing," and you know, but I was maximizing it, and then you know, it just like when I talked about my returns, it was like, "Ooh, that does work," because they were all about the managed funds, you know, and I was all about like dissecting everything and getting the most aggressive return as I could. And then the spread like woke him up.
That should be better, Woody. There shouldn't be. But he is pretty much like the whole. There's been an echo on the stream.
I'm not hearing it here, so.
There shouldn't be an echo with my voice.
Echo. Duane. I see a bear flag.
Yeah, I think the volume from the overnight stream, last night's stream was too hot, picking up the voices from the Zoom call. That may be why there was a slight echo on there. Yep. Well, now I know. Thank you, Woody. Wish you would have said something sooner, because I would have had that corrected for you guys.
So the
But back to
the trader hangout is also a Zoom.
no. But I adjust the volumes for the stream for the Traders Hangout. I had the music a little bit louder.
Yeah.
And since it was a little bit louder, it was picking up, like, since I have you guys on the Zoom call, it was pushing you guys harder.
Okay. Well,
on the streams with it.
We go hard here. So time to deal with it.
But yeah, buddy was like, oh, pretty much telling me the way we trade doesn't work. And then he's like, oh, do you sell a course? I'm like, no. Because he wanted to say, oh, I'm a scammer. I'm like, well, you could join the community completely for free. I don't know if you could consider free a scam. You know what I'm saying? But hey, what do we know these days? What do we know these days? Well, gentlemen, it's 11 o'clock. The market's not doing anything. So I recommend all you guys go work out. Go chill with your families. Go eat some food. I made $30 a day, so I might as well go get some Chipotle.
You're carnivore, so go get something, nice steak and put it on your grill. Suck up.
That sounds really good, actually. I may actually grill out tonight.
You should. Here's my suggestion: if you're eating a little late, you should grill out while you're doing your trader hangout, because it's almost like there's something organic about. It's like a pre-seasoned steak. You put it on, and then you're just like you're browning it up, and then it's just like everybody's like mouth is watering, and you're just showing the victory.
That's a good idea, Steve. I may have to see if I could do that, because for the traders hangout, we've been hanging out poolside lately instead of up here in the office. But my grill.
I don't want you to bring the barbecue into your house.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Well, that's good to know. That's good to know. Not gonna bring the grill in the house. Steve just saved all of us. You know what I'm saying? He just saved all of us.
No, I would do that, and then just be like chilling, and then cooking, and then you know what I mean, and then just like
No, I definitely like that idea.
Oh, yeah, I have a lot of good ideas. I'm telling you.
I can see it, sir. Well, gentlemen, it's time for us to get off here. I gotta get to the gym. I gotta pick some things up and put them down.
They're gonna. Well, wait. They'll be like, "Can you come to the front again?"
Oh, like just from that experience, it's made me want to look for a new gym.
So, like, why? I mean, why don't you just put some plates in your house, brother?
Yeah, this is my issue with that one. Like, I would love to have a home gym. But my home gym, like, I would have to get it complete. I would have to add on to this house, because I need like all the equipment that I truly use, and that's like that'd be a pretty penny, a pretty penny.
You know what? You're all about pretty pennies, jive turkey.
I like quarters too, though. I like quarters too, more than pennies.
This thing is gonna gonna push above that top. Look at how everybody's these candles are all chopped right at here.
Yeah, it's gonna happen without me, because I'm not gonna be here for it.
Oh, you better think about what you're saying.
No, it ain't gonna be with me. I'm getting out of here. I'll see you guys for the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 tonight. We're gonna have some more fun. Enjoy the rest of your day, gentlemen. Stay safe in the markets. Legacy, always a pleasure. Much love for all you guys.
All right.
And I'll talk to you later.
All right, later.
All right, guys.